Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. In today's review, I'm reviewing the Wolf Armour Co. Alpha Glass. Now, this is a hydrophobic glass coating, just like other products that get rid of rain and repel rain and such. Let's have a look at how it looks and performs. So with this product, we start with 4 to 5 drops of the applicator on top of the bottle to the windscreen. Whole windscreen in the coating. We have to leave it from 5 to 10 minutes to cure, and then we'll wipe it off with a microfiber and see how it performs. Now it's been left to cure for 5 to 10 minutes, I'll wipe all the residual stuff off and then show you how it performs under the water test. I'll keep looking for you, even if it's wrong. As we can see from the product doing its magic stuff, the water runs clear down the windscreen and then leaves us with a little bit of feeding like most other products wouldn't. So the effectiveness is really effective. Now it's going to be really good for when you're going on long journeys in the rain and stuff. The wipers won't have to be used as much, as we see. Look at that. So, would I use this in my general cleaning of cars and stuff? Yes, I do approve of this product. So, Wolf Armour Co., you've done a really good job. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification underneath the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!